Hi, I'm Travis Vergens, Midwest and Northeast Area Sales Manager here at Lyco Manufacturing. Lyco Manufacturing has been a recognized leader in the food industry for over 40 years. Our systems are proven with over 32 years of experience manufacturing pouch cooling systems, starting with the first unit manufactured in 1989. In fact, that first pouch cooler is still in operation today. We're now shipping our 66th state-of-the-art, high-capacity, 7,000 pound per hour chill flow pouch cooling system for chilling hop-filled pouches of salsas and sauces. Hop-filled pouches enter the system through a water cushion infeed. The product travels through the cooler at a set retention time. Our patented HydroFlow cools pouches twice as fast as traditional belts or lane chillers. ChillFlow is the fastest pouch cooling system to get your product through the danger zone of 130 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Lyco systems can handle capacities as low as 800 pounds per hour up to over 10,000 pounds per hour depending on cooling times. For larger systems, the belt discharge gently carries pouches out of the machine onto either a dewatering shaker or final packaging. Lyco also offers CIP options for cleaning with a high pressure pump, sprays, and filters. So if you have any pouch cooling or pasteurizing needs or would like more information, please feel free to visit our website at www.lycomfg.com or call our main office at 920-623-4152.